Do you know birds can see ultraviolet light? These feathered friends see things we can't even dream of. While we see the world in red, blue and green, birds get an extra treat, ultraviolet UV light. Their eyes are specially adapted to reveal hidden patterns on flowers, guiding them to nectar-rich blooms. Talk about nature's GPM. But wait, there's more. UV vision is also a game-changer for lovebirds. Take the European starling, for example. To us, their feathers look pretty basic, but to other starlings, they shine with dazzling UV colors. And let's not forget about eggs. Parent birds use UV reflective markings to recognize their own. So next time you see a bird, remember, they're navigating a world bursting with colors we can't even see. Nature's full of surprises, isn't it? Stay curious, folks. Please like and subscribe for more amazing content.